This video will demonstrate how to use GeoData at Wisconsin to download county and shoreline data that can be used in an ArcGIS Online analysis of parcels within a 75-foot buffer of the Lake Michigan shoreline. Start by navigating to the GeoData at Wisconsin portal. From the homepage, click the Coastal Layers button to search for datasets categorized as coastal. From there, search for parcels. Limit the search results to data from 2022 and choose the county you want to analyze from the search results. We'll use Kenosha County in this video. Download the dataset and then repeat the process and search for the Lake Michigan Shorelines 2018 dataset. Move both the shoreline data and the county data into the folder you'll be working with for this project. Then, launch ArcGIS Online. On the My Content tab, click New Item and choose My Device to upload a file from your computer. Choose the files you just downloaded and create a hosted feature layer from the data. Once the parcel data is uploaded, click the Open in Map Viewer button to see the data on the map. If necessary, choose the Location Single Symbol option for the symbology. Then use the Add button at the top of the map to search for and add the shoreline data set from your content. Make sure to save your project as you go. In the top tool ribbon, go to the Analysis tab. Then expand the Use Proximity drop-down section. Choose the Create Buffers tool. Set the input feature to your shoreline data. Set the units to feet and the distance to 75. Give your output feature the desired name. And make sure to uncheck the Use Current Map Extent checkbox at the bottom of the tab. Then click Run. This will create a 75-foot buffer around the shoreline. Zooming in on the map will allow you to see the buffer around the shoreline. Go back to the Analysis tab and open the Find Locations tab, then choose Find Existing Locations. Set the input feature to the parcel dataset. Click the Add Expression button, and in the window that opens, set the attribute query to intersect. Make sure the buffer that you created is listed as the next dataset. Give the output feature a name and again uncheck the Use Current Map Extent checkbox. Click Run to select all the parcels that intersect with the 75-foot buffer. Back on the Analysis tab, expand the Manage Data section and choose Dissolve Boundaries. Set the input layer to the intersection that you just created and create sums for both the land value and importance value fields. Once again, rename the output layer. And as before, uncheck the Use Current Map Extent checkbox. After we click Run, the output will show us the summed values for the 84 parcels that intersect with the 75-foot shoreline buffer.